Welcome to another Decorative Lighting Company video. In this video, we're going to be talking about our remote-controlled, color-changing fairy lighting system. With this system, you can go through a range of steady-on color options, like I'm demonstrating here behind me, as well as preset color functions, which give a range of stylistic lighting outcomes for the home, for the business, to bring excitement and ambience into whatever area and space you're using the lighting for. Just like our 24-volt fairy lighting system, our color-changing fairy light comes in 3-meter connectable pieces. In this video, we're going to be showing you how the system plugs together, and we're going to assemble a cone fairy light structure for you to see some of the cool effects of our color-changing system. We hope you enjoy this video. To assemble our color-changing fairy lights, quite simply, the sections plug end to end. You'll see here I'm demonstrating our male and female ends. The male end has the 2 prongs and the female end has the 2 holes. Push them together and screw it shut. Easy as that. The good thing about our system is all parts have the same male and female end, with the one exception being the power supply. The power supply has an Australian plug, which you'd plug into the wall. So simply find the male and female connections, push them in together, and then make sure you screw the watertight connection. Simple as that. This is our 7-piece color-changing fairy lighting set. Starting with the power supply that you can see here, the power supply will then plug into the micro color controller. With the power supply, you see it features an Australian plug, and as mentioned earlier, on the other end you've got the female end, which has the 2 holes. The female end will then plug into the male end of the micro color controller, and it's really important that the micro color controller plugs directly after the power supply for this arrangement. After that you'll see that all of the accessories all feature that same male and female plug end. With the 3-meter extension that this kit includes, we do have other extensions available. This is just purely for convenience. Not always power is right where you want to start your arrangement. Now moving on to the light strings you see here, the light strings will quite simply plug into each other, male into female, and off you go. This system is the strongest fairy lighting system in Australia. It's designed for full outdoor use with thick rubber cabling and extremely high water resistance. For this example, to show you the effects, we're installing the product onto this cone structure, but really, the choice is yours where you'd like to install the lighting. Have a look through these effects and let us know what you think. The color control of this system is really easy. First, select your desired effect, and then select your color from the range of colors at the bottom half of the controller. If you want to have a multicolored effect, simply select your effect and then the multicolor button, which is at the bottom row in the center. The wave effect is definitely our preference. Have a go with our color-changing fairy lighting system. We want to say thanks for watching this video. We hope it inspires some creative lighting designs, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot.